The Penn Central litigation involving the original challenge to the designation of the Grand Central Terminal, which eventually wound up in the United States Supreme Court, was a significant case not only for the city of New York, but for land use and landmark regulation throughout the whole country.
When I read through I think there were 4 volumes of the transcripts from the litigation, I realized how hard it had been for the city to win, because the city had lost, I think, at least at the lower court, and it was a very heavy burden that the city had to overcome, because there was the railroad was in bankruptcy, and there was a feeling within the city at that time that the city might not win.
We really developed the landmark law to the point now where the commission can feel confident if they act appropriately, it will be defended and it will be sustained.
I think it is important for the agency to have an in-house lawyer who is a committed advocate on behalf of the people, the commissioners who work there. They're entitled to that, and they're entitled to make the most aggressive statement possible.
You know, I'm not an architect, and I'm not a bricks and mortar person, but I've done what I could in terms of making sure that these buildings are here for future generations, which is important to me. So it's like an honor, I think, to have been able to do that.
I think these cases, both in the Supreme Court, the Second Circuit, and the Court of Appeals, are given a roadmap to landmark preservation to the extent that the buildings are worthy. I think if they're designated, they're going to be sustained, and I feel very confident you're going to have these buildings forever.